Hi, this is Jack, and today I'm going to be showing you the Star Wars Lego Clone Commander Cody. So, it looks like he is connectable right here, buildable figures, and you can see he has a little pack on the back, and he has this gun. Let's open this up and see what we got. Oh, it's a push one. Who knew? Yeah. Where's his little helmet? I don't really know where his helmet. Oh, I found his helmet. Oh, it includes this out of the box. I'm guessing this is Commander Cody's arms and legs connections. So let's get started. I'll cut ahead in the video until I get this guy done, okay? So this is what Commander Cody looks like when he's done. So this gun, you can take off and you can put it back on. You can also move his head around. He also has this little thing. You can move his little thing. It's for ages 7 and 12. And it's pretty challenging to put together. It took me half an hour or maybe an hour to put this guy together. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you all later. Goodbye!